Okay, today let's talking about what does car restoration mean. And first of all, car restoration means to return old car into its working condition for this day when it goes from the factory. Patrick's Garage. Grab your snack, welcome back. And yes, in general, you want to say that restoration means to return vehicle into its original condition. Yes, I agree with you, but a lot of things that they want to call as restoration. But for me, restoration, we need to use original spare parts, especially OEM parts if they're available. And if they're not available, we want to go to produce them as they was done in these days when car was produced and goes from the factory. This means to return car to its original condition. Is it available today for average guy? Yes, probably, but you want to spend a lot of time and a lot of money for this process of restoration. So they want to go more simplest ways and they call this also like restoration. Yes, they want to save this watch time, which time goes, they get wrong, rusty, rusty silencers, maybe the car's noisy, rusty, and they want to save this condition because this means time. But for me, what that means? That means that car was in working condition. That means great work which was done engineers. This car not stored in a garage with leaky roof probably a long period of time because they want to using this car, and yes, and this is why this is so attractive, this patina. Small rust, superficial rust, not big holes in rusty bucket. They don't want to restore old bucket. But yes, a lot of surface rust, superficial rust, nothing wrong. Yes, they want to say this restoration to working condition. Just because this car was like old granny car, so this car looking so. This is cheapest way. You don't want to spend time to polishing this car. You don't want to fight with this all superficial rust. Yes, sometimes can be so they want to solve their car and guy want to buy this car and they just washing out all these prints of their time on their surface of body in the car interior. Yes, cloth will tears these cloths. Probably we get character, this unrepeatable character of your car, these surfaces of rust, car interior, good condition, especially in cars from 60s. Not so often you can find these cracks on the dashboard. I'm big proponent to save car in this condition if this working condition. We don't want to achieve perfectness. And nothing wrong when 50 years old car with little bit surface of rust in any place is nothing wrong that your seats burned with cigars. You can restore seats, and I don't want to replace upholstery completely just because we don't want to lose this time which was printed on our car on this surface, and you don't want to replace the engine. You want to save the engine working condition if you're calling this process restoration. Yes, this is a really easy way. Just go and replace the engine, probably more modern equipment with electronics. Guys, they want to find this easiest way to replace the engine, but I think will be better to mess a little bit and find these spare parts, piston rings, valves, and you don't want to replace the engine. Car lost its value with replacing parts for new parts and special upholstery. We spend a lot of time inside the car and we prefer this texture of cloth, and we want to save this car upholstery forever. You don't want to replace modern cloth, leather, but yes, if they warn you want to replace one segment of a leather to save this is original condition, and you don't want to replace seats, for me just sacrilegious. Replacing seats in this car, old car. Yes, probably in the next topic we can say something about this more deeper. We want to see this problem with new car interior. That means restoration process. You don't want to replace these car parts of car for modern cars. Yes, probably you want to find something easiest ways. You see that you're stuck with this restoration and you want to go to more easiest things which you can do with car. But in any way you want to continue the process of restoration. Yes, first you want to repair which more obvious, which you want to restore first to save car in good working condition. Restoration, let's say, restoration that means in maximum to save car in pristine shape as it goes from the factory in this working condition. What means restoration? In general, yes, this means perfection. You don't want to expect perfection when you're doing this by own hands. It's not so easy. You want to spend time, you want to spend money. Yes, restoration that means not only a long, fascinating, sometimes boring process. Restoration means to give the old car its pristine shape in maximum as much as it will be possible for you. You can say this is a restoration. If you're doing this restoration, this enjoyable process of restoration, and your main guide, enjoyable process, that means really restoration. In a lot of cases, given the time constraints for average guy, this perfectness unachievable, I think, in a lot of cases. But you not expect perfection. In old car, numerous things will be wrong when you're going to start this process of restoration, and really hard to achieve the perfectness as it was done in this day when it goes from the factory. And thing is that from that also you can get really great deal if anybody quit. Probably somebody doesn't know or have not enough time for this process. Probably buy cheapest car and repair this to good condition also means restoration. For average guy, I think it's so. In a lot of cases, old guys thirsty for restoration because they remember that these were really great cars in olden days when they were kids. And that makes you think of the classic car at once. And this will be a remarkable hobby, restoration of old car. Restoration means your hobby. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell So that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.